Good morning, my dear students. Now I'm discussing the features of a sole trader. As I told you that it is single ownership based business. Sole proprietorship is owned by a single individual. He invests his own capital or borrowed capital. He controls the whole business. And a sole trader bear all the risk and enjoy all the profits. So if you start your own business, you will invest your own capital, your own funds or borrowed funds. It is free from legal formalities. Suppose you want to start your own business as a sole trader, so you are not required to have a lot of legal formalities as it is done in partnership or in companies. You can start your business. But in few cases where license is required, suppose you want to start your chemist shop, then you want to open a bar, so then we need the license. We have to follow the legal formalities. For few business we need legal formalities, but most of the business we can start without any legal formalities. Unlimited liability. The liability is unlimited. In case of loss, the sole trader have to bear the whole loss. He have to bear the total risk of loss of the business. Sole management. One man control is there. He take all the decision. That's why he bear the losses and enjoy the profit also. Secrecy of information. As he is the sole trader, he had to take the whole decision. So the things are with him only to keep his affairs to himself. So that maintains secrecy. Capital is invested by himself only. He invests the money in the business. He may borrow or he may invest his own funds. So these are the features of a sole trader. Please write and learn it very carefully. Thank you.